Hello everyone, this is Muskan Ganglani and welcome back to Hoiko. Today I'll be showing you the different functions of Hoiko. So for that I'll be opening up a board. This is my board and when you go on the top right corner, there'll be these three dots. These are all the functions. When I go on the second one, that is trash rows, these are the history of all the deleted rows since I have made this board. So you can click on whatever row you want to restore and you can click on restore on the top right. Then the row will be restored. And then the next one is board members. So over here you can see all the board members that are added to your board and you can add and remove them. We have a detailed video for this. And then column visibility also has a video. Then we have grouped by. So grouped by option is more usable in table form. I'll be opening up this board in table form, and then on the top right corner when I open back to the group by option, and I'll group by all the rows with the default status. So you can see the rows are grouped by with default status. And then next is sorting. So you can sort any of your columns in ascending or descending order. So I have sorted the projects column in ascending order and I have saved it. So when you click on save, you can see all the rows are in A, B, C ascending order. You can go back to the sorting option and then you can click on reset. So the sorting will be removed. Then the other functions you can see over here, I will be explaining them in different videos like this, board activities. So like this, there are many more functions of Hoiko that makes your life easier to work with. And stay tuned to know more. Thank you.